Hello dear students, Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to do course book of unit 6. This is a bird. The topic is grammar and today we will learn about the grammar words this, that, those. So students, this is compulsory to know about the words, the use of these words. The word this, whenever we talk about the word this, THIS, this. So that's mean we are talking about a single object, single thing, one thing. Suppose this is a pen. So here we are talking about a single thing, one pen. So we will use the word this for this pen. Now here these mean we are talking about more than one thing. Suppose more than one. It could be 3, 2, 4. It should be just more than one. Suppose these are the 2 pointers. So we are talking about these. We will use the word these. These are the pointers. So now we use these and these to talk about things that are near us. We use this with singular nouns. We use these with plural nouns. Whenever we will use the word these and these, so that's when we are talking about the things which are near to us. This book is near to me. So I will say this is a book. These books are near to me. So I will say these are the books. So here this is a bird. Bird is a single one. So we will write here this is a bird. These are small ants. Small ants are on the leaf. So we will say these are small ants. Because these are near to us, these are near to leaf. So we use that and those to talk about things that are far away. So students, now we will learn about the use of the word that and those. That mean we are talking about a single thing. Now, those mean we are talking about more than one, but it means we are talking about those things which are far away. For example, that is a board. There is a just single board and that is far away from us. So we will say that is a board. So here students, you can see chairs and tables. So we will say those are the tables. Those are the chairs. I hope you can easily understand the use of these words that, those, these and these. We use that and those to talk about things that are far away. We use that with singular nouns. We use those with plural nouns. This is the example. That is a nest. Nest is far away to a boy. The boy is standing here and the nest is away from him. So we will say that is a nest. There are the birds. So those birds are flying. So we will use the word those. So now it's time to fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. Look at dash live here. We are talking about here. So that's mean that is near to us. So we will write here this. Take dash flowers from me. Take away. So that's mean take these flowers from me. These from me. Because we are saying flowers. So we will write here these. Dash nest high up the tree. Nest. Talking about more than one. So those. That bird up on the roof has a long beak. So we are talking about single, that.